to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you the all-new U42W. This here is by bestchoiceproducts.com, a company we've seen before that makes a lot of great products among drones. Now, if you want your very own, check out their link down below in the description. Now, this particular drone is the newly upgraded version of the previous model, in which you get a better camera, better stability, as well as better quality all into one. So seeing it fly should be a lot of fun. Not to mention it has a lot of other features such as virtual reality, among different flight modes, and so on and so forth. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what it's all about. Alright, so this here's our box. So it just kind of shows you the drone itself. So it says that there's an altitude and hold feature, shoots at 720p, and it's the upgraded model of the previous version. Now, as you kind of rotate it, you got this nice looking handle on the top here. On the back here, kind of talks about a little bit more in terms of features goes. So we get ourselves some aerial photography, a Wi-Fi control, the ability to hold it in the air, different speeds, different alarms, out of range alarms, as well as like a one-touch takeoff kind of feature. And then you have 360 flips, and then you can go ahead and charge it in multiple ways. And you can even do a VR setup so you can actually see what it's looking at in virtual reality. And then you can do even custom flight routes as well as flying C. It's a feature that allows you to go ahead and have more easier control. And then it's got an LCD controller, so it allows you to go ahead and mount your phone and kind of see it in a better angle. So all in all, it looks pretty promising. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's on the inside. Alright, so it comes in this nice looking casing, so you just go ahead and open it up just like that. And then we see a few different things here. So we have ourselves a drone on the left hand side as well as a controller on the right hand side. I have to say right off the bat, this looks a lot more better than the previous model. So let's go ahead and take out the remote now. Alright, so this here is our remote. So this here to keep out the glare in terms of when you mount your phone on here. So just go ahead and adjust it to the settings that you want. And then your basic flight control, so you have your elevation as well as your rotation. On here it kind of tells you more about in terms of details how the drone is functioning in terms of power goes. And then this here is where your batteries go. And overall a very decent size remote, definitely has a nice quality feel to it. And then this here is the drone itself. Wow, that thing actually it looks really cool. I love the red and black tone colors on here. And then this here's the camera itself. It actually is quite a lot larger than the previous models. So let's go ahead and set this aside for now. And then we have ourselves our blades. So these here are spare parts in case if you do break it. This here is our battery, and then here is some guardrails as well in case if you want to make sure you protect it when you're flying it indoors. And then here is the mounts that go on the bottom in terms of landing wise. Alright, and then this here is our user manual, kind of telling you about step by step how to go ahead and program it in terms of like how to go ahead and fly it, as well as like checklists and exactly like what to do if you need to troubleshoot it, as well as the app itself and so on and so forth. And then this here is the charger for the battery itself. And then over here we have ourselves a USB cable as well as a mini SD card. So this here's a 4GB SD card. So you do get a good amount of footage with that. So this will plug into the back of the camera right over here. So you'll hear a click and you're good. Now in terms of the battery goes, it goes in this slot right back here. So you just go ahead and plug it in and then you just slide it right in. Now do note that this does come with an extra set of battery, so it's always good to know that you can go ahead and fly and get double the flying time, so you just go ahead and charge both of them and take it as you go. And yeah, there you have it. This here is the drone itself, all built and ready to go. So you got the legs stabilized, you literally just go ahead and screw them in place, and there you go. So let's go ahead and take it outside and give it a test flight. Alright, so we're all set ready to fly. I'm going to go ahead and set the drone down now and go right to the app itself and see how this all works out. So I'll put it right over here. And then to show you guys how everything looks, you can actually see the app itself. You'll see a live stream of the actual camera itself and what we're seeing. I'm going to go ahead and record so you guys can see what I'm seeing at the same time. Now, let's go ahead and do this too. There you go. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Alright, and we should be good to fly. There you go. Whoa, look at that. So, overall, it's actually quite easy to fly. So you got your controls where you can move forward, you can move back, you can move left, you can move right. And then let's go up high and see how high this thing can go. Whoa, look at it go. So we're gonna bring it back down now. So the camera quality itself is actually not that bad. So you know, you can do a lot of other things as well. Wow, this thing's actually pretty quick. You can actually control the speed itself. Overall, it's actually really easy to fly. And we can actually even rotate the camera as well. And like make it come towards us. And yeah, just coming down for a landing. So yeah, kind of gives you an idea exactly how this all works out. Overall, it's actually a great quality drone. It's actually really easy to fly and definitely a very unique drone nonetheless. Alright, well there you have it. This drone is actually a lot of fun to fly, especially the fact that it's a very nice upgrade from the previous model, and you do really see it in terms of flying goes. Now overall, I would say Best Choice Products did a great job with it in terms of the execution goes. The way it looks is really unique and definitely has a nice sturdy feel. Now in terms of the camera quality goes, I think it's actually quite decent, especially for the price itself, and makes a great beginner/amateur drone as well. Now, if you guys had any questions about the drone itself, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.